Hey everyone, so I'm going to show you how to clean windows. First, take my glass cleaning towel and spray away. It's my glass cleaner. Or in back and forth and up and down patterns, called crosshatch patterns, to go back and forth. And then really focus on some areas because there's some residue there. Not really sure what it was, but got it off. And right there as well. And some more elbow grease. Really work in that area. Use the spray away again. Get some more lubrication there to try to get that film off. Up and down again. Back and forth. Take the dry towel, buffing towel, to kind of buff off any excess product. And you can see, to make it streak free. That's how you get streak free windows. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below. Thanks and have a great day.